Have you come across a situation when your client's microblading has faded after a few months? In this video, I will show you how to do ombre brows. Stay till the end to know why it is the best option to cover faded microblading. For the best microblading, shading, permanent makeup, aesthetic treatment and training advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Taiyaba, permanent makeup, microblading artist and trainer at Softer Studio. I have received a Permanent Makeup Specialist Award in the year 2018 by Oceanic Events in Toronto and have hundreds of happy clients and students. Go and check out my Instagram for hundreds of procedures I have done. Link is in the description below. If you want to know how to do ombre brows and how to set up a machine for shading technique, then watch this video. I will be explaining everything in detail. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So first of all, I'll show you how to wrap your machine, though this is very important. This is the machine which I use for my all the services. So yeah, let me show you. This is the clip code which you should put on your machine first. So this is how it goes. So once you have that in, then you have to wrap like this. Okay, so that's that. Your machine is ready for work. Needle in. Define the outline first. Don't go all the way to the end, just stop it there. So because here we would need to have more gradient effect. So we are going to start from the tail. Moving in one direction towards you. hand movement should be same as your machine speed. If you're working on a higher speed, then your hand movement should match. Basically, first pass. Now we have to do the second pass to create the gradient effect. And now we do our shading away from us. Just on the bottom section. The tail, we need to cover everything, but in the front area we are not going to go up till the shape line because we want to create the gradient effect here. Now we will do the third pass. This time we will do the pendulum technique. Pendulum technique is just like going back and forth. First we did towards us, that movement. Second movement was away from us. Now the third movement would be pendulum, which is like towards us and away from us. So let's see. And here we are creating the density. You can create more density on the tail if you want. But do the movement away from me. I just want to create a little bit more density at the bottom. So after cleaning, if you see any empty spaces, then you can do Pointillism technique to fill that. For instance, in the front, if you want to add like more gradient effect or fill in, you can use this technique. Or if you want to create more density, you can do that as well. I didn't create the definite line under, it just gives more of a natural powdery look. So more density is in the middle. So there are different variations which you can use to do this technique. And this one is one of that. Now you know exactly how to do Fibro's Ombre Brows technique, but do you know which needle and color to choose for your clients according to their skin type? To help you, I have created an Ombre Bra course explaining all about correct shaping with golden ratio, how to cover all permanent makeup, right pigments, tools, and much more to get started with your permanent makeup business. For more information, click the link in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend, and hit the like button. It will help me with algorithm and many more other people can benefit from it. And I know to make more videos like this. If you have any questions about Ombre Bra technique or training, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.